Hey everybody, today we're going to answer the question, among co-inventors, who should be listed as the primary inventor? I am JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I've helped thousands of inventors over my 10-year career. I've earned almost 500 patents as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. Let's dig into this really cool question about co-inventorship. When you've got 2, 3, or more inventors, you're co-inventors, and everyone listed as per the rule under the Manual of Professional Examining Procedures, the MPEP, all co-inventors must be listed. What order they go in, and who is the primary inventor? Now, the answer to this question shouldn't surprise you, but it's the inventor that contributed the most to the invention. Maybe the one that brought the idea, the major concept, the majority in terms of the myriad inventors, who has the biggest contribution to the invention itself. And what's important to think about here is the actual claimed invention. What's going to be owned after performing, let's say, a patentability search, and you draft the invention disclosure. That's really the heart of where the decision can happen. Now, if the inventors don't agree, if they say, actually, I was the most, most contributing inventor, or actually, no, I was. And the way to solve this, and it's something we rarely do, but it can be a constructive way to move all inventors forward, is have them write down in a preliminary invention disclosure what they believe they contributed to the invention. And the attorney, we will take a swing at deciding who has contributed the most to what's claimed, what will be claimed in a patent application. And sometimes, and this has not happened in my 10 years, but some of the inventors will not agree. They want to be named as the primary inventor. And if that happens, they can go seek separate counsel. And I don't want to go down this trail too far because I want them straying from the answer, the specific question that was asked. But inventors can be represented by multiple attorneys. They can have their own attorney and vie for certain positions, make sure they're both advocating for the most rights possible. This does put the attorney in sort of a tough spot because in essence, we're kind of fighting each other, and it can create some friction when it comes to decision-making regarding how they might respond to office action responses, or whether they decide to file child patents, how they approach international phase. Every single step in the patent process has to come with this sort of voting or integrating another party that's represented by a different counsel. So it's, in large part, it's way easier to have one attorney representing all inventors and not necessarily at the individual representation, but having an attorney represent a company that all 3 or more inventors assign their rights to. All right, so back to the question of who's the primary inventor, and what does that even mean? It really is more of an ego boost, because really all inventors that are on the patent have and share the same rights to exclude of any of the claimed invention rights, the ability to exclude others from making, using, or selling that invention. And so they all share an equal, if you will, amount of rights. It's just the one that contributed the most to the invention is usually the first named inventor, and most usually will be the one that has the recognition. If someone's perusing the patent, they'll see that name first. So that's really the significance of it, and that's how we handle the determination if the inventors can't come up with a priority order on their own. Hope this was helpful, educational. If you have any more questions and you want to move forward, you're thinking, hey, maybe I have an invention here, I want to look and see, research, click below. We have a free inventor's kit. This is it's a PDF I put together with great resources for you, including a copy of my book that I wrote a few years ago, as well as our options for patent searching, patent applications, as well as the patent monetization success strategy. So have a great day, everybody. Have a wonderful one. Go big, go bold.